Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my introduction video. Myself is Krishna Raskar and right now I am 17 years old and I'm going to be 18 just within few days, and I'm really not loving my life right now, but I am definitely going to make my life look what I want it to look like, and this is going to be happen. Like, this is going to happen, there is no doubt. And I know that my parents are not good. Like, I have a toxic family, I come from a middle class family, I don't have a good financial condition and all of that stuff. I know, but I also know this thing that I believe in myself no matter what, and I'm going to make it anyhow. I just don't give a fuck about all the people and whatever. I also don't give a fuck about the situation that I'm in right now. I just don't give a fuck of anything. I just give a fuck of what I'm doing towards my goals. Yeah. And let me tell you, I come from a very toxic family. I have a really toxic father. Like, he is extremely toxic. I would also tell you guys the story of him, like a story time video in which I'll tell you all of the things. But yeah, still I know this, that I'm going to make it. This is Krishna giving promise to Chris that she is going to make it, and this is the first step, right? Yeah, this is the first step. This is the first step. Yeah. And yeah, wherever it is, I'm going to always make my energy like this, maintain my energy like this, only higher, untouchable, unstoppable. This is step number 1. Yeah, this is going to be my first step towards my dreams, and I have stepped out of my comfort zone today, and instead of studying, I have did something different, did something good. And not only that, but I have did makeup on my own, which is completely out of my comfort zone. But I belong to a toxic family, so I cannot do makeup on my own, and anyhow, like, any day I just cannot. It just only when there is any function that too mostly father side function only, then only I can do makeup. Why? Because I have to maintain his dignity. Other days, self growth, good looking, whatever, whatnot, all of these things are not like their concept. They don't understand this thing, so I cannot do makeup in normal days. And look what I have done today. And I have applied kajal and eyeliner, which like has something like, even if you wash it after that also it stays a little bit, so my father will get it that I have the applied mascara or whatever it is. I will tell you guys the other after story, whatever happens, my father caught me or not. But this is a big shout out for myself, because I have stepped out of my comfort zone, and in the time of studying I have also studied, but I have did something like out of my comfort zone and out of my fear. Guys, I am very fearful person. मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. But here I am enjoying bad killing. It's like, and I just promised myself that I am going to always and always get out of my comfort zone for being myself, for loving myself, and I will always continue to do whatever I love to do. I just don't give a fuck about the whatever toxic situation, what will happen later and whatnot, who will say what and this and that. I'm just done. I'm just so done with my life. I'm just so done with all the peoples that I just don't give a fuck now. It's okay if you talk. It's like, I am walking and the dogs are barking, let them bark. That's it. I am really proud of myself, and I will definitely make myself proud, and I will always and always follow my passion, follow what my heart wants and what my heart says. Like, content creation is the thing that I always wanted to do, but my parents, they did not force me. Actually, it was my thing only, but their thing also. Like, it was a mutual understanding, but I pushed myself into rat race and I chose to give the NEET examination. I studied, I completely denoted my 10th, 12th and the 2026 as well, completely in NEET exam, and now this scam happened, but it's completely fine. We're gonna cope up with that as well, and we are going to still choose ourselves and our dreams always. I definitely will make myself proud one day. I will be as big as Kendall Jenner, because I am not afraid. I am definitely not afraid of judging, and I'm not afraid of dreaming big, because if you have the ability to dream big, you definitely have the ability to make it come true. Yeah. So I will do.